know that this is very early in the morning. There's this one person that we know. This one person who has a lot of money. The person whose money is probably falling off from the sky. This guy is very rich. Kalau boring macam hotel saja. This guy texted me around 2:30 a.m. and I was like, start saja.
That's how you chill with us.
Free breakfast kan? Update, we don't know what to do. There's just really nothing to do here. No swimming pool.
No bathtub.
Yeah, no bathtub. Even the TV don't have any USB on it. But they do have DVD player over there. Who uses DVD player nowadays? Lazy morning. Not morning anymore actually. We didn't make it to breakfast, so really hungry. We're eating here. Kita ada HM.
Itu kereta aku sana.
Keretanya mahal. We spent about 3 hours on my place. Now we're heading to Ice Center to help Abang Is with the music video shooting.
Hello.
Apparently 2 weeks I was in Cambodia. These guys have not went to my place as well. Mana saja awak?
Usually CB pula.
CB saja. Right, we are currently at the level parking beside Ice Center over there. We're gonna have a video shoot here, not my video. So from here we can see people playing football over there. We're still waiting for Abang Is. He's not here yet. Mr. Director is not here yet. Kita ada tuan direktor kat sini.
Bukan, Ani yang director, Ani assistant.
Bukan, jangan percaya. Apa kita ada apa hari ni?
Kita nak shooting video. Oh, kamera kat sini ya?
Ya, kamera kat sini.
Saya ni, sorry saya ni bukan cameraman.
Kita ada ya.
Saya ni sebenarnya tukang bawa kru je, tak ada apa-apa lah. Ni pun tak mahal sangat ni. Kalau kat Brunei ni bayar bulan nak cecah bertabak lah.
Cecah bertabak bro. Hello Mr. Shami.
Hello Mr. Ashni.
What are we doing today?
It's a music video shoot for Alexandria. Affliction, which is today.
What kind of genre is this?
Leather jackets and that kind of thing.
We're doing a mannequin challenge.
Oi, pakantut.